The DX25 testnet has officially launched, and we're excited to showcase some of our unique features to the MultiverseX community. In this guide, we will give you a complete overview on how to access and use the DX25 testnet. Step 1. Connect your wallet to access DX25. If you don't already have a MultiverseX wallet, create one by visiting devnet-wallet.multiversex.com. Remember to safely store your seed phrase. When you're ready, you can access DX25 testnet by going to devnet.dx25.com and clicking on Connect Wallet. This will prompt you to approve the sign-in process. At the moment, we only support the official MultiverseX wallet and the Ledger hardware wallet. Step 2. Use the faucet to get test tokens. To begin your journey on the MultiverseX testnet, follow these simple steps to obtain test tokens and experience the platform's capabilities without any real-world financial risks. Step 1. Get XEGLD from faucets. Choose one of the following options to acquire XEGLD test tokens. Option 1. R3D4 Faucet. Go to r3d4.fr/faucet, select testnet. Enter your wallet address and click Submit to receive XEGLD test tokens. Option 2. MultiverseX DevNet Faucet. If the R3D4 faucet is unavailable or you prefer an alternative, visit devnet-wallet.multiversex.com/faucet. Connect your DevNet wallet and claim the XEGLD test tokens. Step 2. Claim faucet tokens. Head over to devnet.dx25.com/mint to access the DX25 testnet minting page and claim additional test tokens. Select the desired tokens, follow the on-screen instructions, and mint the tokens to your testnet wallet. Step 3. Trade on DX25 by swapping your tokens. Now that you've connected your wallet, you can trade on the DX25 testnet. First off, click on Swap on the top of your screen, then use the token selector to pick which tokens you would like to swap. Other features DX25 also offers an analytics page, which gives you insight into the liquidity pools available on the platform. The Pools subsection shows all of the exchange pools created on the platform with token pairs, pools fees, total value locked, volume and rewards generated over set periods of time. The Tokens subsection shows off a list of tokens available on the platform together with their prices, percentage price change, total value locked and trading volume over set periods of time.